Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use Grok Imagine to create AI videos, which is a free AI image and video generation app. With Grok Imagine, you can create cool AI generated video clips, as you can see here. These are just some of the examples of video clips that I generated. So go to grok.com, you'll find the link in the description section. You'll need to log into your account. You can use your X account login credentials, which is what I'll do. And here I am logged into my Grok AI account, and I'm using the free version here. And in this video, I'll only cover the Grok Imagine section, which is essentially for image and video generation. And in this video, I'm really going to focus on the video generation part of it. So once you click on Imagine in the left side panel, you'll see user-generated video clips. As you can see here, these are just a few of them. Down below, you'll see a prompt box, which I'll get to in a moment. If you click this button, you'll see these two options to upload images. With this option, you can edit the image. And with this option, you can animate the image. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to use a prompt to create a video directly. So essentially, with the prompt, it'll create the image and the video together. You can also just drag and drop the image into this box if you want to. If you click here, you'll see this pop up. You can choose the aspect ratio. As you can see, there are several options here. Down below, you have two options for image and video. I'll choose video. And now you see these two new options. You can choose the duration for the video, 6 or 10 seconds. The 10-second one is for the premium or the paid version. You can choose the video resolution, 480p or 720p. Again, the 720p option is for the paid premium version. And then down below, you can choose the aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9, which is the horizontal video. And if you're new and want to get some inspiration for video prompts, you can use Grok AI, like I did here. So this is the video prompt that I'll be using to create the video clip in this tutorial. So let's go back to Grok Imagine. And in this prompt box, I'll enter my video prompt that I just showed you. And then I'll click on this button to render the video clip. It will then begin processing the video clip. Usually it takes a few seconds to render. And as you can see, this is the video clip that it generated based on the prompt that I provided. You can use these buttons to download and share the video clip. And if you click on the three dots icon down, you'll see this pop up, and you can upscale the video if you want to. If you click this video button down below, you'll see some new options here. For example, you can choose video presets like spicy, fun, or normal. I typically stick to normal, but if you can definitely try the other ones. Just bear in mind that the spicy one might have not safe for work content. And you can also use this redo button if you're not happy with a video clip it generated. So it will just regenerate it. Similarly, you can render multiple video clips and then put a full-length video, and I'll show you an example at the end of this tutorial. You can also create talking photos like the one you're seeing right now, and let me show you how I created this one. So this is the full video prompt that I used to create the talking photo. Essentially, you mention the speech in the prompt itself. As you can see, I highlighted it in red in quotes. So let's go back to Grok Imagine, and then I'll click on Imagine. And then down below, I'll enter my video prompt, and then I'll click on Render. It'll then start processing the video in a few seconds, and it will render it as you can see right here. So let me just play the video clip so you can see how it came out.
So let me get this straight. We're really doing this?
Like I said earlier, you can then render several clips and create a full-length video. If you click this button, it will redirect you to the favorite section, where you can access all the videos that you rendered in Grok Imagine. Now let me play a short video I created using several video clips.
In a world full of ordinary ideas, Grok Imagine turns your words into extraordinary visuals. Just describe your vision and watch Grok Imagine bring it to life in seconds. Create short, captivating clips perfect for social media, ads, or storytelling. Join millions sparking ideas on X and supercharge your creativity. Don't just imagine, Grok Imagine. The future of creation is in your words.
Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.